Well, right now I'm printing a full sprint wrap for Larry Pointer that we're going to be installing sometime next week. And as far as what makes it really nice for choosing to print a wrap is with wraps, instead of just ordering individual numbers or sponsor logos or graphics, we're able to print it all together, and you just have more design options with race car wraps. Also, you can check our website, and we offer anything from basic packages, deluxe packages, and full race car wraps. harrisdecals.com. Check it out.
Going through orders right now, checking that all the orders for tomorrow are done, and then I'm going to start on proofs for today, but that's about it right now. So,
how many orders do we have, Jessica?
We have right now 125, so just keep trucking along. I'm working on a wrap.
Vlog, Brandon. What am I doing? I got a couple orders that need to be shipped out this morning, so just helping out before I start cutting Monday's orders, which I've already actually started hanging off the plotter. Got a couple race car numbers that were printed.
We're here at the Harris Decals shop, and going to do an install on these two vans behind me for Office Innovations. We're going to put a stripe down the... Hey, we're here today at the Harris Decals shop. We're here to do two of these Office Innovation vans. We're going to put stripes down the side. The thing you got to know about stripes is when you do it on vans, trucks, cars, always want to make sure you get the jams in between clean where it's going to go over, because you're going to actually, fold over into those grooves, and if it's not clean, you're just going to put it on dirt. But as you can see, we got a full day ahead of us. We got two of these, and I think I got another one coming tomorrow. Yeah, should be fun. Check it out.
To cut some Arnold the Eagle window decals for the school to distribute to the parents for them to put them on their car windows.